This timeless, brick-faced colonial is beautifully sited at 284 Mattison Drive in historic Concord, Massachusetts. Lushly landscaped and designed for family and friends, this home gives off a homey vibe and provides comfortable spaces both inside and out. A natural esker with deciduous trees and towering pines creates a semicircle, providing the ultimate in privacy in a country club-like setting. A gracious grand foyer features expertly crafted moldings and a sweeping staircase. The primary first-level wing features a wood-burning fireplace and a sitting room, twin custom walk-in closets, and a new spa-like ensuite primary bathroom. You'll relax and de-stress with a long steam shower or a hot bath in the tub. The private bedroom overlooks the backyard. The handsome custom cherry paneled office with built-ins is ideal for anyone working from home. A music room for the family get-togethers features built-in cabinetry, a wet bar, and has amazing views of the gorgeous outdoor landscaping, boasting a heated swimming pool and pool house. Welcome to the recently updated kitchen. It features custom inset cabinetry and all of the high-end stainless steel appliances any chef would drool over, and it comes complete with paneled sub-zero refrigerators. How refreshing it would be to just sip your morning coffee in the light-flooded kitchen. The crystal clear windows effortlessly draw nature inside. The family room is perfect for casual living, and it's anchored by a beautiful fireplace. A mudroom off the garage leads up to the professional home theater with multiple leather seating areas, as well as a bar with a beverage refrigerator and a half bath. Don't worry about the inclement weather ruining your golf game. A custom-designed golf simulator room allows you to play numerous courses to keep your game sharp. Arrange a chef-created meal for enjoyment in the large dining room and crystal-clear windows, allowing natural light to warm the room. The hospitality of this home extends to the second level, where you'll find secondary bedrooms with updated bathrooms. The children's library homework space, a true spacious working office, and a large laundry room with cabinetry complete this level. The finished lower level offers a playroom, exercise room, a full bath, and multiple storage rooms. The highest form of gracious living can be found at home. And home is here, waiting for you at 284 Mattison Drive. Concord is a picturesque New England community of handsome residences, preserved open spaces, family-owned farms, and thriving commercial centers. The town is served by the MBTA commuter rail to Boston, Cambridge, and Fitchburg. A stroll through downtown Concord will feel like an idyllic walk through a familiar place you've always known but never found.